Redi-Rock. Everyone grew up playing Legos, and our first entry on this list may invoke a bit of nostalgia regarding this. Enter Redi-Rock, the ultimate solution for building modern construction walls. These construction blocks have an impressive patented design, and thanks to the interlocking nature of the Redi-Rock blocks, workers can now safely create walls that are up to 19.7 feet or 6 meters high. With the correct machines, a team as small as 2 or 3 people will be able to build vast structures in no time. A massive bonus is that these concrete blocks are able to mimic the appearance and texture of natural stone, and they can be customized to a number of textures. The largest size blocks are about 7.9 feet or 2.4 meters in length, and they weigh in at a crazy 4,828 pounds or 2,190 kilograms each on the biggest end. It's for this reason that lifting equipment comes in very handy. These blocks have been used in everything from highway upgrades to airport renovations, so they may be exactly what you need for your next project. The price of this invention comes in at about $33 per square foot or 0.09 meters. Every part of construction is evolving, so why not invest in revolutionary floor trusses? Stay tuned to see how. MITEK-US Posi Strut. Next up, we are introducing the Posi Strut system from the company MITEK-US. These floor trusses are designed with an open web construction made from metal and wood, and this comes with many benefits. Not only is it super flexible in terms of functionality, but it's also very lightweight and easy to maneuver. The design ensures that electrical and plumbing work is simplified, since these modern floor trusses leave you with more than enough room for these utilities. The Posi Strut will streamline construction projects significantly, and this modern invention also reduces building waste, since sustainability is at the forefront of construction at the moment. Don't miss out on our next highly sustainable building system. PLAEX Building Systems. Sustainable construction is the bane of the modern industry, and this means creating buildings that are cost-effective for their entire life. The Canadian company PLAEX have taken this to heart, and this is why their building systems are paving the way towards the future of construction. Their specialized building blocks are made of everything from plaster to plastic and concrete, and the real hook is that they are made from 90% waste materials. Not only does this offer a huge environmental advantage, but the blocks are also stronger and sturdier by the mile. The construction process is sped up threefold, and on the economic side, it makes it up to 35% cheaper, since there is no need for mortar when fitting these blocks together. Construction workers don't need a ton of experience to build superior structures. Construction is set to kick off in Canada soon, and plans are already in place to take this project to a global level. We bet construction workers would love something that makes working on drain hole covers a bit less yucky. Don't miss out on this next invention. Roof SMARTPADS. Roofers have an extremely daunting job, and a fear of heights is definitely not something these people can have. While working on a roof, you need to be careful not to damage it, and this is where the Roof SMARTPADS come in as a very handy tool. These SMARTPADS can be used to create safe walkways and workstations on the roof, and on various pitches too. The pads are made from a very durable ABS plastic and high-density foam, so longevity is guaranteed. Lastly, the pads are also lightweight and super easy to attach, so using them will be a breeze. You can invest in extra accessories, like the steep step or ladder brace, and these will secure your ladders and footings even more tightly. You can purchase a set of 3 of these SMARTPADS for around $495. Do you want to give your home or building an exterior upgrade? Well, keep your eyes peeled for an awesome facade invention. MuckStopper. Working on a city's sewage and drainage pipes is no easy task, and usually dealing with clogs and repairs can be somewhat of a nightmare. Thankfully, the MuckStopper has been designed to make this load a bit lighter. The MuckStopper is installed with drainage covers, and the UK company behind this invention had the goal of reducing dirt and debris in these systems. If you want to ensure you don't need a drain cleaning service at the end of every project, the MuckStopper is quite ideal. All that's needed is to periodically empty the waste section, and it's conveniently removable. There are different models, but for example, the RS400 tips the scales at 22 pounds or 10 kilograms, but it's able to hold up to 220 pounds or 100 kilograms of trash. The debris collection unit comes in at $50. Novabrik. From the cold north, an invention named Novabrik has taken the world by storm. Novabrik, created by a Canadian team, is the perfect solution for your decorative facade needs. Novabrik can be produced to resemble tiles, stone, or bricks, but the real seller is the fact that Novabrik can be installed completely without using mortar. The bricks are stackable in design, and every fourth row is screwed down. The process of installing Novabrik is therefore much quicker than traditional methods, almost like Lego building. These bricks are suited for load-bearing structures and compatible with a wide range of materials, so they can certainly be suited to your exact project needs. The Novabrik facade is made from concrete, and this is why it has an expected lifespan of 50 years. The manufacturer can be contacted for precise pricing. If you'd expect a painting robot to still be a way off in the future, you may be surprised at our next entry. TOJAGRID DIY Modular Pergola. We're all about making construction jobs easier, and this is why the TOJAGRID Modular Pergola deserves a mention. This is the DIYer's dream, and the system offers endless construction customization. This system allows builders to easily construct frames with bracket hardware and kits that are easy to use. The modular design is suited for various add-ons and wood replacements, and above all else, it protects the integrity of the structure you're building. Wooden beams get screwed into corner joints that are made from durable steel, and it has got weather-resistant coatings to ensure it can be used anywhere. Lasting quality and easy installation are some main benefits, and the process will be quick as well. The versatility of this system ensures that it can be tailored to any space, size, and budget requirements. Painting robot OKIBO. Have you ever thought that painting and plastering is a waste of time? Well, now construction workers can pass this job over to OKIBO, the modern construction robot. The robot reduces the need for manual labor since it autonomously handles plastering that is more accurate and precise than ever before. Some astounding features are its real-time 3D scanning and modeling capabilities. It can also predict the process, how much material is needed, and the cost accurately. OKIBO is known for being sturdy and durable, and all this is what allows it to withstand the rough construction conditions. It is completely battery powered, and it has an impressive floor-to-ceiling reach, so there's no spot it can't plaster. You'll need to submit a contact form to find out just how much this machine will cost though. Working with hot asphalt is quite a task, but now there's an exoskeleton to help you. Don't go anywhere to learn more about this cool invention. Cola's EXOPUSH. Our next tool is the very cool Cola's EXOPUSH, a wearable exoskeleton that'll be more than handy. This wearable exoskeleton can be put on in merely a few seconds, and it's both lightweight and easy to transport. The device reduces strain and stress on your body by up to 30%, and its rake design provides construction workers some much-needed power assistance when leveling hot asphalt. The price is not yet clear, but we're pretty sure it will be worth the investment. BalkonAnbau. Have you ever wished you could have your very own balcony to enjoy your morning coffee on? Well, this next German company believes that everyone deserves this. These manufacturers offer everything from a range of standard balconies to custom options. For example, you can purchase an 11.4 by 6.5 foot or 3.5 by 2 meter balcony made from galvanized steel for a simple installation. When you want a compact and lighter structure, you can opt for an aluminum balcony structure. You can choose the railing, the roof, and all the other details yourself. And these innovative balcony structures are designed to meet the most lawful criteria when it comes to building a house. Low-rise buildings are able to accommodate balconies that have their own supporting elements on the ground, so the world is really your oyster. Do you want to see the most impressive modern retaining wall technology? This is up next. Surewall. Here's another striking solution for retaining walls, the Surewall. And this is an invention that came to us all the way from New Zealand. Surewall works exceptionally well for building retaining walls that are up to 3.3 feet or a meter in height, thanks to its rugged and robust steel elements. The wall is only a third of the thickness of a traditional wood retaining wall. Whether builders need sharp 90-degree corners or need to work with flexible bends of 15 degrees, the Surewall ensures all this can be done with ease. PAAL-VAST Filoform. Everyone loves a bit of gardening on a sunny day, and thankfully, if your project requires anchoring posts in the grounds, the PAAL-VAST Filoform is a solution that doesn't require any water for its use, and in only 30 minutes, it completely dries around your post, securing it in place. This leading product and a lightweight alternative for concrete anchoring, and it's a whole lot more convenient to use as well. The Filoform is both durable and waterproof, and it even protects your wooden posts from moisture damage. It'll cost you roughly $27 per post. Even brick and tile cladding are seeing huge advancements. Stay tuned to see how they have changed. Corium brick tile cladding system. Passing the test of time is one of the best ways of establishing a reputation for quality and excellence. That is exactly what Corium has done with their now 2 decades old and internationally beloved brick tile cladding system. This system boasts several impressive benefits, the most notable of which is that it can speed up the entire construction process 6-fold. It also makes it incredibly easy to replace individual tiles when they become damaged or worn. The process is straightforward. First, steel profiles are mounted, and then these clinker tiles that mimic the look of traditional brick or stone are added. There are customization options available, and a lighter profile variant is available for wooden structures. The profiles typically measure around 8 feet or 2.4 meters in length, while the tiles come in a standard size of approximately 13 inches or 33 centimeters in length, 8.5 inches or 21.5 centimeters in width, and a thickness of 1.2 inches or 32 millimeters. The price of this will depend on the size of the project you are looking to tackle. Easy Placer Lig Sheen. From the company Lig Sheen, we have received one of the best modern construction marvels yet, the Easy Placer. This is a remarkable self-propelled concrete placer and line mover. This machine offers a safer and faster method of placing concrete. All you need after this machine fills your structure with concrete is a laser-guided screed to ensure perfect leveling. The Easy Placer even rotates 360 degrees for any working angle. The manufacturers can be contacted for individual pricing. Do you need a handy sidekick to lift those awkward loads? Well, an impressive vacuum lift may just do the trick and more. Amvic Amdeck. Formwork is like an invisible hand that shapes the entire foundation of a concrete structure, and as the years go by, we are seeing more and more extremely innovative ways of using it. Take, for instance, this system from Amvic Amdeck. Not only is it cost-effective and eco-friendly, but it can seamlessly adapt to an impressive variety of floor and roof designs. It also offers a fully congruent formwork solution for almost all walls made from standard concrete slabs, while providing excellent soundproofing qualities as well as very high resilience against all kinds of earthly calamities. Amvic Amdeck has two options to choose from right now: the 8-foot or 2.4-meter long Eco-Form for low-rise residential projects, and the Pro option, which has been designed for commercial structures and uses, forms that are 24 inches or 61 centimeters long. Vacuum Pallet Mobile. Moving heavy objects around gets quite annoying, and with thousands of construction site accidents every year, it's clear that a change is needed. Say hi to the Vacuum Pallet Mobile, a revolutionary system that'll lift just about anything you need on the construction site. This versatile tube lifter has a vacuum lifting system for weightless handling of loads, and it can support as much as 3,500 pounds or 1,600 kilograms. Using this new age lift reduces the risk of injury and damage to the materials, and even better, the entire thing can be operated by a single worker. It can obviously reduce project timelines and cost, and your construction team will definitely be smiling from ear to ear. When you add optional joint spacing modules, workers can lay slabs and pavers down with remarkable ease. This machine is available on a rent-to-own basis, and the manufacturer can be called for these arrangements. No construction list would be complete without a ventilation solution, and this is what we're looking at next. Systemair K. Proper ventilation is one of the cornerstones of any ambitious architectural endeavor, and without it, you just cannot get the job done the right way. For certain high-traffic venues, you need to install something that can work effectively, quietly, and without pause, and we think the Systemair K series should be high on your list. These ducts have been engineered to incredibly high standards, and yet are still incredibly cost-effective and versatile. They deliver a constant and robust airflow that ranges anywhere from 6,350 to 61,100 cubic feet, or 180 to 1,730 cubic meters per hour, are made from galvanized sheet steel. Each model has been outfitted with a very user-friendly EC motor, and as long as they are flanked by air ducts, you can mount the fans anywhere, even outside, and the cleverly designed FK clamps will greatly reduce shaking and make everything super easy to install. For around $438, you can get their impressive K100 model, which is capable of functioning in temperatures as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. Camo Edge X Metal Deck Clips. Camo is by now a very well-known and respected American brand in the home improvement industry, and they are known for their range of high-quality tools and fastening solutions that have won the hearts of DIYers across the country. But today we will be spotlighting these hidden deck clips, which are slightly less well-known than their other projects. The Camo Edge X Metal clips are engineered for securing grooved wooden, composite, and PVC decking to metal frames. These clips boast an impressive 88% increase in strength over their rivals, and there are designs for wooden structures, including those treated with preservatives. A set of 900 clips is currently priced at $409, and they are definitely worth the splurge. Not only are they robust and durable, but they also feature UV-resistant plastic and a ProTech coating to prevent screw corrosion. Solar power is in higher demand with every passing day, and the code to the ultimate solar solution has now been cracked. Keep watching to see the future of solar. EBW 1300. Have you ever been searching for a power tool that won't wear you out? Even when you're working in those tough-to-reach spots for hours on end, the EBW 1300 is ready to help you out and will take on nearly any drilling task you throw at it. And whether you're working with diamond core drills, or hammer drills, as long as the drills are no bigger than 2.4 inches or 60 millimeters in diameter, you're good to go. It is compatible with a large variety of core drilling machines and drill hammers, and has been built to handle the grind. You can count on this tool day in and day out, and still deliver top-notch results. The price for this gadget is a steep $1,254. Alpen Solar. The Swiss have figured out exactly how best to use solar panels and exactly where the best place is to put them by trying their luck at installing them at almost the highest altitude possible. This unique solar dam project is located at an elevation of 1.5 miles or 2.5 kilometers above sea level and is a stunning precursor to Switzerland's ambitious goal of launching over 4,000 solar endeavors by 2030. Currently, this one project can provide enough electricity for around 700 homes and consists of an expansive 0.6-mile or 1 kilometer stretch of 5,000 solar panels that harness an additional 2.2 megawatts of clean energy for the small country. Because the dam is so high up, things like fog will never be an issue, and the natural effect from the surrounding snow amplifies its efficiency even more, making it 3 times more productive than similar setups at lower elevations. Smart Mover Bearing. Here's a tool we think every construction worker will be very happy to have on the job site. This fully electric brick trolley has been specifically designed to take the grunt work out of your day. It even comes with a helpful extra support wheel for easy maneuvering in tight spaces and a rack for moving scaffolding. It's powerful and a champ at multitasking. You can add on a number of different accessories if you need to, and it can help you haul around loads of up to 617 pounds or 280 kilograms with hardly any effort. The Baron Smart Mover is even handy when you're going up a hill with a 20% incline. For later on in the construction process, we have unique walls that work somewhat like curtains. Don't miss out. Katakeskas Ruki Tilikai. For over a quarter century, this dedicated team of Finnish craftsmen have been crafting roofs that not only offer protection from the elements and extreme durability, but are also made locally to the highest standards. All this is evident from footage of one of their projects you are seeing on the screen now. One of over 10,000. A typical roof overhaul is typically accomplished within a very swift 5-day time frame, and they'll even throw in a complimentary site evaluation. Because the company embraces local craftsmanship, they source materials like drainage systems and timber from nearby manufacturers, enabling them to offer their services at a significantly reduced cost. Swing set. If you've ever wanted to turn your garden into a delightful retreat to reconnect with some of the joys of childhood by putting up a good old swing, then this next item is for you. You no longer need to be put off from this project because you dread the thought of concrete pouring. With an investment of only $150, you can purchase these American-made swing beam brackets with fully adjustable height settings and start your swing assembly job right away. The necessary mounting hardware and parts are available separately, and you'll need 20 pieces per bracket. But very precise specifications are provided, using 4 beams each measuring 8 feet or 2.4 meters. Your project will yield a swing height of approximately 6.5 feet or 2 meters. And if you opt for 14-foot or 4.3 meter beams, you can have a swing height of 12 feet or 3.6 meters. Harmon Curtain Wall. The Harmon Curtain Wall is definitely one of those construction technologies that just make modern building projects so exciting and unique. These impressive-looking walls hang like curtains from a building structure, significantly lighting the load on the foundation and thus greatly reducing construction expenses. In this video, you can see one of the projects being carried out by an American construction company who has extensively used these curtain walls in their developments, and they do a great job showcasing just how amazing these products are. One hotel, the Western Peachtree Plaza, received extensive repairs following tornado damage, and another was covered with over 200,000 square feet or 18,500 square meters of this remarkable curtain wall. These curtain walls are customized to every order. How about making your own construction bricks? Even this is possible. Light hood. If you have horses, you probably want to make their life, as well as yours, as comfortable as possible. And who doesn't love a clean, mud-free yard? Light hoof is the best way to get all this at once, and is a brilliant solution to equine comfort and ground management. This unique stabilization system is the product of research from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and consists of flexible plastic grids, measuring 6 by 12 feet or approximately 1.8 by 3.6 meters. It stands 3 inches or about 8 centimeters tall, and each of these grids has several smaller cells that, once filled with gravel, create a stable surface capable of supporting not just horses, but also cars. You can buy Light hoof right now for the premium price of $199 per block. BKER Top Lift. If you're looking for a fast and efficient way to move large amounts of material around on your building site, then you should check out the BKER Top Lift system. With it, you can easily haul up to 551 pounds or 250 kilograms to a height of 98 feet or 30 meters at a brisk pace of 131 feet or 40 meters every minute. There's a big focus on safety too, and each carriage comes kitted out with a fail-safe gadget that keeps your load from taking a nosedive if the cable decides to call it quits. You can tell that this lift system has been engineered for both peak performance and peace of mind. The price tag is a hefty $7,145 though. Hand mold Dowbell DIY M9 cavity block. The DIY BAM M9 cavity block hand mold is probably one of the best ways for any small enterprise to start creating their own cache of high-quality building materials. Not only will it save a lot of time, effort, and labor, but because you can whip out to 500 sturdy and ready-to-go M9 cavity blocks daily with just a trio of workers, it can quickly become a reliable and cost-effective way to produce all of your own essential construction supplies for future projects. This technology comes in at a price of $388. Do you want to see the best modern roofing membrane technology? This and more are coming right up. Platio. Platio is really not just another name in the construction tech industry. This Hungarian company has recently begun making waves because of their ingeniously practical, eco-friendly solar panels that can be used as an alternative to traditional building materials. Each panel is the byproduct of up to 400 repurposed plastic bottles and is unbelievably tough and resilient to the elements. These panels are robust enough to withstand the daily rigors of bike lanes and car parks, and ridiculously easy to install. If you're concerned about the heat, don't be, because the panels are designed to remain as temperate as typical pavement or concrete, even under the relentless sun. With them, you can completely transform a mere 861 square feet, or approximately 80 square meters of pedestrian path, into a power plant that churns out an impressive 11.7 kilowatts of electricity. Blumer Lehmann. It's not often that a product is so good it literally gets the royal seal of approval. And that's exactly what Blumer Lehmann AG, a Swiss pioneer in modular timber construction, has done. Their latest project, the Into the Woods Pavilion, is an artistic and architectural gem and has not only been chosen for display at the Swiss Embassy Garden in Copenhagen, but has also been integrated by Sweden's King Carl XVI, Gustav himself. By collaborating with two other skilled teams, Blumer Lehmann AG crafted 3 of these distinctive-looking trees, each of which is composed of 18 wooden segments. The pavilion's crowns are adorned with textile membranes, and for enhanced durability, steel tubes reinforce the structures. Intelligently integrated drainage systems keep them dry, so complete peace of mind is guaranteed. Monarplan G Siplast. It's now possible for you to fix up your roof at any time of the year and at any time of its life cycle, thanks to this impressive roofing membrane from BMI, one of Europe's reigning roofing industry leaders. Made from a robust blend of fiberglass and PVC, this versatile membrane will last approximately 35 years and can be installed without the use of fire on everything from green roofs to industrial buildings. No matter the age of your roof or the season, the Monarplan G Siplast is one of the best options on the market today. When stepping into an elevator, you want to have peace of mind knowing that it's safe, and this is one of the many perks offered by the next shafts. Shafts. Elevators are big business and serious too. Every time one needs to be installed, someone needs to have the right knowledge of how to do it properly. That's why companies like Clark Builders are always in demand, and why their expertise has led to the creation of reliable high-end products like the MedCrate prefabricated elevator shaft, as seen on the screen. These shafts can extend up to 6 stories high and have a notable 2-hour fire resistance, making them a very time-efficient alternative to traditional cinder block construction on site. The standard build currently features walls that are up to 5.5 inches or 140 millimeters thick, but it can be custom fit to match your preferences. Considering there are millions of elevators in the world, this invention cannot be more valuable. Edobond. Next up, we have a product that manages to blend technical ingenuity with impressive aesthetic versatility. It can even help enhance any builder's appearance and directly increase its market value. Elval Colors Edobond. Panels are kind of an architectural marvel. These aluminum-clad composites are like a bulky sandwich and can be filled with any coarse substance you want. The company even has a fire-resistant fill-in option, and the panel's ability to mimic textures like stone and wood, coupled with their impressive 36 feet or 11-meter length, make them ideal for everything from cozy homes to grand public areas. They're pretty tough too, and could withstand UV rays and various chemicals, as well as being light, flexible, and strong, so you can bend and shape it into all kinds of cool designs. You can expect the price per panel to be around $4.50. EverPanel. It might sound completely unrealistic, but what if we told you that with EverPanel's modular wall systems, a small crew of people can build an entire office layout in just one day? Or that just two can build a 100-foot or 30.5-meter partition in just 30 minutes, and they won't need any fancy specialized tools or construction knowledge at all? Well, it's really only possible if they use these innovative panels from the EverPanel company. The standard modular measures 5 feet or 1.5 meters in both width and height, and if you need some color, you can choose from a palette of lively hues, beyond the classic white, including pink, orange, and more. The price of this starts at $1,824, but can reach as high as $4,699. Do you hate overhearing your neighbors' conversations? Well, there's finally an ideal way to add noise absorption into your building, so stay tuned for this exciting invention. ARIDDek Craft-Bilt. Having a beautiful outdoor deck area is something many people want, but keeping it looking fresh and maintaining it year-round can be very difficult. But that's why innovative and multifunctional decking solutions like the Aerod Deck are so exciting. Not only do they offer several advantages over traditional wood decking, but they look amazing and will do so for a very long time. These deck panels are made from durable aluminum, so they won't warp or rot, and each one has a cleverly integrated drainage gutter and is fully waterproof, so there's no need for a protective membrane anymore. Installing a deck with a Canada frame is very popular, and when combined with the aluminum planks, will remain up to 20% cooler during the heat of summer. Hera Design. Noise pollution is such a big problem in our modern world that even the UN has listed it as a major concern to people all over the planet. And in the face of all this mounting urban noise, a select few companies have stepped up to the challenge and created a few exceptional products. These acoustic and 100% eco-friendly wood fiber panels are made in Germany and not only look great but can absorb sound levels of up to 55 decibels. This is exactly why they are being used in prestigious institutions like the London School of Economics and Political Science to give people some peace and quiet in the middle of an urban jungle. These panels are super adaptable too. They come in lengths of up to 7.8 feet or 2.3 meters and can be cut, shaped, painted, and fitted in any way you can imagine. Doppelstopp. Thanks to the help and support of a team of German professionals, having a sturdy, high-quality fence wherever you need is no longer a daunting task, even if you've never done it before. In less than 7 minutes, they managed to encapsulate the very essence of fence installation into a gem of a video tutorial. The video is very thorough, down to the exact wrench size required for securing screws, and thanks to its invaluable content, even novice DIYers will know exactly what to do every step of the way. Every home needs a pool, and now you can completely customize this with the famous ProCopy solution. It comes in at $43 per 3.2 foot or 1 meter. ProCopy. Imagine being able to build the pool of your dreams and actually helping the environment at the same time, all while being as chic and trendy as you want. That's exactly what this French pool manufacturing company is offering their customers when they purchase the Paradise Blue. This versatile modular swimming pool can be customized to fit any landscape and is pieced together from various sections. Each section is made from an innovative synthetic resin made out of 100% recycled plastic, and the on-screen version measures 108 square feet or 10 square meters. This model is available for approximately $5,800. Your pool comes in a comprehensive kit with every essential piece you need to build it, including the filtration pump. But if this particular design does not meet your taste, the company offers a catalog of over 6,000 parts, so you'll definitely find your perfect fit in there. CF Dome. Have you always wanted a workspace where the weather's many whims won't dictate your schedule? A space where you can keep on working in a cozy bubble whether it's rain, a blizzard, or scorching heat outside. And a well-lit haven where you can work in privacy all day long is now finally possible. The CF Dome is just as easy to use as it is to transport and store. You only need 2 people and one single 220-volt socket to set it up. And its protective structure will never deflate and trap you inside. These construction tools will speed up every construction project under the sun, but we have more in store in our next countdown.